Vinyl record players preserve authentic sound quality, nostalgia, and tactile music experience for enthusiasts. My today's video is about top 5 best vinyl record players that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Retrolife vinyl record players. The Retrolife individual suitcase record player beautifully blends vintage charm with modern functionality. Its classic black PU leather exterior, retro bronze accents, and sturdy handle make it stylish and portable, perfect for creating music memories anywhere. Offering 4 versatile connection options, it streams digital audio via built-in Bluetooth speakers, connects to external speakers through RCA or AUX, and allows private listening with headphones. The turntable supports 3 record sizes, 7, 10, 12, and 3 speeds, 33, 45, 78 revolutions per minute, while a belt-driven system with anti-resonance design ensures high-quality sound with minimal distortion. No extra equipment is needed. Setup is quick and beginner-friendly, making it ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, or offices. Practical knobs like the auto-stop switch and quick mode selector, Bluetooth/AUX/phono, enhance usability. Whether for relaxing evenings, lively gatherings, or personal enjoyment, this record player delivers a seamless, nostalgic, and immersive vinyl experience for both newcomers and enthusiasts alike. Now our second product is LP No. 1 vinyl record players. This multifunctional record player combines classic vinyl enjoyment with modern technology, making it perfect for both beginners and enthusiasts. Its adjustable 3-speed belt drive system plays 33, 45, and 78 revolutions per minute records, while the anti-skid, anti-vibration platter felt mat reduces skipping for smooth playback. The pitch control knob lets you fine-tune the speed for customized listening experiences, featuring dual built-in stereo speakers and a preamplifier. It delivers rich, immersive sound with excellent stereo clarity. The unique LED lighting control enhances the atmosphere with 3 dynamic modes, 7-color monochromatic change, smooth gradient fading, and rhythm sync light shows. Advanced wireless input and output allow streaming from smartphones, tablets, laptops, and smartwatches, or transmitting vinyl audio to wireless headphones or speakers. The USB port supports playback in vinyl to MP3 recording for preserving your favorite albums digitally. With a detachable dust cover, easy setup, and stylish design, this all-in-one turntable is perfect for home decor, entertainment, and gifting vinyl lovers for birthdays or holidays. Our third product is Kotsoko vinyl record players. This vintage-style record player perfectly blends classic vinyl charm with modern convenience. Its belt-drive turntable supports 3 speeds, 33, 45, 78 revolutions per minute, and plays all standard 7-inch, 10, and 12 vinyl records, making it ideal for both beginners and dedicated vinyl enthusiasts. The removable cover protects your records and turntable from dust, while the textured retro exterior adds elegance to any room. Equipped with built-in Bluetooth and stereo speakers, it allows wireless music streaming from smartphones and other Bluetooth-compatible devices. For alternative playback, the AUX input, RCA lineout, and headphone jack provide versatile options, while connecting external speakers delivers richer, louder sound. Portable and easy to set up, this record player creates a warm, nostalgic atmosphere for family gatherings, relaxing moments, or solo listening. Beyond functionality, it doubles as a stylish home decor piece. Its thoughtful design and versatility also make it an excellent gift for music lovers, combining timeless retro aesthetics with modern audio convenience. Now number 4, Victrola vinyl record players. The Victrola 3-speed suitcase record player beautifully blends vintage style with modern convenience. Its belt-driven turntable supports 33 1/3, 45, and 78 revolutions per minute records, while sound isolating feet minimize vibrations, ensuring premium audio quality for your living room, bedroom, or office. Designed for portability, the stylish vintage suitcase with an easy carry handle allows you to take your music anywhere, making it perfect for vinyl enthusiasts on the go. Setup is quick and simple. No extra stereo system or equipment is required. With versatile connectivity, you can stream music from smartphones through the built-in Bluetooth speakers, connect external speakers via RCA outputs, or use the line input for non-Bluetooth devices. A headphone jack provides private listening, while controls like the input select knob, power/volume knob, and auto-stop switch enhance usability. Combining exquisite craftsmanship, rich sound quality, and retro aesthetics, this record player offers a nostalgic yet modern experience, letting you create lasting musical memories at home or anywhere. And our last choice is Victrola vinyl record players. The 6-in-1 entertainment center is the perfect fusion of classic design and modern functionality. Housed in a charming farmhouse-style cabinet, it allows you to enjoy music your way: vinyl records, CDs, cassettes, FM radio, or streaming from smartphones via Bluetooth or the 3.5mm AUX/headphone jack. Its 3-speed belt-driven turntable, 33 1/3, 45, 78 revolutions per minute, delivers upgraded premium sound with minimal vibration, making it ideal for vinyl lovers in living rooms, bedrooms, or offices. No extra stereo system or equipment is required, so setup is quick and beginner-friendly. Expanded connection options include RCA line outputs for external speakers or amplifiers, plus a headphone jack for private listening. The unit features intuitive controls, an analog radio dial with LED lighting and gold accents, input select and volume knobs, power switch, CD open/close, and cassette eject buttons. Everything is easily accessible, blending timeless mid-century style with versatile functionality and rich sound quality. This entertainment center is perfect for both beginners and vintage enthusiasts, offering a complete audio experience in one elegant package. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.